Hello, dear students. Let's see GATE 2018 question asked. Actually, this question can be in a subject called system programming and compiler construction also. Okay, because this is about parse tree. But actually, parse tree is nothing but expression. In a way, it is expression tree. It is not exactly expression tree. So I have included this particular topic in data structure itself. Although this can be a question in SPCC, that is compiler construction. Now consider the following expression tree for the expression. This is the expression given: A hash B dollar C dollar D hash E hash F, involving two binary operators dollar and hash. So this is the tree given. Tree is given, and then they have asked that which one of the following is correct. Option A is dollar has higher precedence and is left associative, and hash is right associative. So dollar is higher than hash, they are asking, as far as priority is concerned, and dollar is left associative, whereas hash is right associative. And all sorts of such questions they have asked. Now, as far as I am concerned, the best way to and the quickest way to solve this is that I will always check for the leaves here in the tree. I will first check the leaves. The leaves are A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. And now I will ask A, you are going to be operated with hash, correct or not? Yes. It is A hash. A hash what? The other thing. That is A hash what? Now there is no operand over here. In fact, you have got an operator, isn't it? You have an operator here. So you just can't operate A. You can't operate A with hash because you don't have any other operand here after hash. So I go to the next leaf, B, and I see B is going to be operated with dollar, and the other operand is C. If you can if you notice, I have gone deeper in the tree. First, I will go at the deeper level. That is, I am going to do depth first search of this particular tree. So according to DFS, the deepest nodes will be processed first. So B dollar C, you can say B dollar C will be done. Now whatever is the result of B dollar C, okay, whatever is the result of this B dollar C has to be operated with dollar again. Observe the dollar which I am encircling with D. So D is the another operand. Now you tell me $2 back to back here, isn't it? In my expression, $2 are there back to back. Which dollar did you operate first? You did B dollar C first, isn't it? Yes, you did this B dollar C first. And then you operated the next dollar with D. So surely dollar is left associative. This is my way of checking it. And believe me, I get it very fast by reading the tree like that. So coming back again, let's try a few more things here. This is intuition that we are working on. Okay, you will first do according to depth first search, go deeper in the tree, and the deepest nodes are B dollar C. So you did B dollar C. It seems that you have operated this dollar on B and C. You did this, and whatever is the result of B dollar C is again operated with dollar, which I am encircling, and the other operand is D. So dollar D. That means if there are $2 after the other, then you will operate the first one first. This is called left associative. So dollar is surely left associative. So you can see the option A says dollar has higher precedence and is left associative. This can be true, but we don't know. We have not yet checked for higher precedence. But surely dollar is left associative. No doubt about it. Now let's see who has higher precedence. Dollar has higher precedence or hash has higher precedence. Now you only tell me among the two, which one was solved first here. We will always go deeper and deeper, isn't it? Deeper. And the deepest nodes will be considered first. So before any hash, dollar was solved first, isn't it? Dollar was considered first. So dollar has higher precedence than hash. I hope you are understanding. And dollar is left associative. Definitely. Definitely. Now the only thing left out here is hash is right associative. Let's see. Let's see. How do you check this? Hash is right associative. Okay. You have reached till this point. B, B is dollared with C, and whatever is the result is dollared with D. Now, whatever is the result of this, watch it. What is this part exactly? This is B dollar C dollar D is hashed with. It is hashed with. Hash is the operator, but there is another hash here, isn't it? Another hash. So what operator you are going to do is E hash F. Note this. E hash F. So I'll write it here. E hash F is getting done. And now, whatever is the result of E hash F, listen, whatever is the result of E hash F will be hashed, isn't it? Come up now, will be hashed with this result. Check the left hand side result. That means between this B dollar C dollar D and E hash F, there is a hash. I hope you are understanding. So there are two hash back to back. There are two hash back to back. But which hash did you consider first? The second one. Come on, you did E hash F first, isn't it? Look at this. I'm again encircling this. E hash F. You did this first. That means the second hash coming in the expression is solved first. So hash is right associative. I hope you are understanding. A is the correct option here. And that's the best way to check out for left associative and right associative. Don't worry. You are going to get such topics in compiler construction. But then how I tell my students, just in 2 minutes again, if you are given an expression tree and you are asked who has highest priority, then just check which operator is deeper. Which operator out of the two is deeper? You can see dollar is at lower level than hash. See this? This is 0 level. This is 1 level. All these nodes are at 2 level and these nodes are at 3 level. So dollar is at level 3 than hash. Then whichever operator is at lower level, deepest level has higher priority. Simple, has high priority. So dollar has higher priority, that's for sure. That's why we always commented so easily, dollar has higher priority, highest precedence than hash. The only thing is it is left associative. How did we prove that it is left associative? We simply read this tree and we said that a b dollar c should be done. Surely b dollar c, and then whatever is the result should be dollared with D. So if B dollar C, I'm writing it again here, B dollar C should be done first and then the result is to be dollared with D. Then out of the $2, first dollar was solved first. So this is left associative. And for hash, we got it exactly opposite. For hash, what we saw was that in this, E hash F will be done first, obviously, because hash is now directly connected with E and F. And whatever is the result of E hash F should be hashed again with this left hand side, isn't it? So B dollar C dollar D, correct? Dollar D should be hashed with E hash F. But we saw that E hash F was done first. So second hash was done before the first hash. So hash is right associative. I guess you have liked this, you have enjoyed this. Very easy way of reading the expression tree for associativeness and the precedence. Thank you very much.